Hello and welcome back to Patriot Contraptions. Today's video is in response to a question I got late last night about my John Deere 214's mower deck routing. So let's take a quick look and I'll show you how the belt actually routes from the PTO takeoff up here on the John Deere down to the actual mower deck. In order to explain this, I'm going to start at the actual mower deck. So we're going to come down here and we're going to pick the left-hand side of the belt coming off. And you can see it comes off of the main mower deck spindle here, up the side, and right here there's a pulley. Now we're going to look down at it from the top. So you can see the pulley here, and you'll notice that on this pulley, the belt is running on the back side. So this is the back of the belt here, and that is against the pulley. Then it comes up over the inside edge of the PTO. This is your outside one for the snowblower. This is the inside one for the belt. Around, down the front, and into the second pulley, which we can see right here. This is our second pulley there, and you can see that this pulley is actually running the belt on its normal surface. So you can see how it's grooved. That's because the groove on the PTO, you can see better on this one, is the same as the groove on that pulley, so it fits in there nice and snug. And if we come down here, you can see, hopefully, let me see if I can get an angle here. I'll show it to you. There we go. You can see the belt is in that groove, going back to the right-hand side of the mower deck's main pulley right there, which brings us right back to where we start. So you get kind of a good look there of both pulleys. So it's really simple. From the left side of the pulley, when you're looking at it from the front, come up around, put the belts back against the pulley here, up over, and then back down, and keep the belts inside on the second pulley going to the right side of the mower deck. Now there's one other thing we can look at, and that is the tensioner, which is actually popped off, so I can show it to you a little bit easier. And it is located right here, so you can see that. I've got it off right now because I was doing some work, but this is the tensioner, and it goes to that hole right there. And you can adjust that by using this knob up here. But because I recently had the mower deck off, I haven't gotten around to hooking it back up because it's kind of a pain. So there you have it. Hopefully that helps all of you guys out. I'll explain it one more time real quick. Come off the mower deck from the left side, up around the first pulley, having it run on the back, over the PTO, down, and put it on the regular side of the pulley on the right. Bring it all the way back to the right side of the mower deck. So hopefully this video helped you out, and be sure to subscribe, and I'll see all of you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.